Hey guys!
It's so dark.
Welcome back.
It's like, see guys, look over
Hello
there. Look
Qatar.
over there. It's so dark.
Hello Qatar. First day of raining. There is some rain.
What happened? I put Nana out here, okay? I leave her out for a little bit. When she heard the thunder, she climbed my leg.
Where?
Yeah, that's it. She heard the thunder, and she climbed.
Oh no!
She scratched me here. She got scared. She climbed and
Because
she scratched
the thunderstorms.
me. And she doesn't like
He's scared.
water.
She scared the thunderstorm.
Yeah, she's never hung on to me so tight.
Wala.
I'm gonna go check on them.
Maybe it's raining today. Today is raining. Sa? See? The clouds is very nice. Too much dark. Oh my goodness. First day of rain in Qatar. Yeah. Ulan oh. Kaulan nun, ulan. Ulan guys dito sa Qatar. Yan. Lipay kayo oh. Ang aming mga halaman. Training. Sugang dagom. Itong kaing kuan, kapanganuran. It's windy. It's windy.
Weird weather behavior.
No, it's not weird. This is normal. You know, in Philippines like this. The weather is like this in Philippines. There is thunderstorm.
Yeah. You know, I think it was the house. And then my mom said,
Feel
"Oh,
lightning.
go, it's lightning."
Yeah, lightning din ako. Mayroong kidlat dun. May kidlat. Maybe in sea line o Alto Mama High P. Sa?
Yeah.
Raining too much.
Also happening. Yeah, maybe also near Beituma.
Yeah.
Guys, look, I'm sorry whoever wanted to build a house, but yeah, it's gonna get rescheduled. Look at the weather.
Habibti, actually it's very nice if you go in the pool like this. You know, it's not hot.
Yeah, it's not hot.
It's nice. It's not hot.
Cold.
No. Oh.
Look how dark.
Yeah.
Look there. Look.
Yeah, maybe it's raining from, maybe in your school have rain.
Yeah. And it maybe near school has rain.
Yeah.
Next time it's eating. They're eating.
All the police now is alert.
Look how creepy this is.
Hi! Bismillah. Shino, hi! It's raining. Wow! There is some rain.
Guys.
Shh, uy, don't be shy.
That's weird.
Oh, it's raining.
Now I know Tom hates water. Nah. I ran
It's
into
raining.
it because I got scared. I'm gonna go to the garden and stand here.
It's rain. Wala, it's raining. Oh my goodness.
Say, look.
Happy. It's raining. Today it's
Guys, look, let's finally listen to you. I'm going.
We go inside. Hoy, bring Nala inside because they're scared to the rain. And also the thunderstorm.
I'll stand. Nala's making her first move.
Yala.
Her first what? Move. Like what?
Yala, go inside. Yala.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yala.
Wait, I'm gonna go here.
Yala, we go here. We're gonna rain.
Packed up the kids. Now it's starting to enjoy.
Biladyo, mafi rain.
Yeah.
It's rain.
Guys, this rarely happens, so we need to enjoy it. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow is
Only happened
finished.
to But Teta, it's okay. She don't even enjoy that much because in Philippines there's gonna be a
Yeah,
lot
in
of
Philippines, too much rain, you know?
rain. Yeah.
My goodness. All is
Send this
flooding
to
in
your son
Philippines.
and tell him,
Yeah.
see, it's raining.
Yeah, it's raining. The plants is very happy. They
Yeah,
drink water from the
natural
rain.
water.
This is natural water. It's not salty. Yalla, bye-bye. See you tomorrow for my next vlog.
Hotel vlog.
Hotel vlog next tomorrow.
Yes, guys. You mean tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
In 24 hours.
Yeah, in 24 hours we go to your hotel. What's
What's
that?
that?
Bal, 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 bal. Uy,
What's that?
tornado. Pi tornado. Lah, iti. Hay tornado. See?
Hiya. There's a
Small.
tornado.
That is the small tornado.
There's a baby tornado.
Yeah. It's a baby tornado. See? The plants is so happy.
But us humans are kind of scared. Okay? This is weird. Fly or fly?
Wala, too much rain.
I think we're gonna fly because his car is here. He's probably his friend drove him.
Wala, too much rain. Do you want to play in the rain?
So yeah.
Do you want? I make idea for you.
How?
You want?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
What is it?
Wala, too much rain. Oh my God. So lightly. Yeah. Oh my God. You know, electronics is magnetic for the lightning. It's not good.
Stay, please! We only get you one finger, please!
Maybe it's outside. It's so floody.